Today is May Day. May Day parade in a number of nonprofit organizations, civic and non-political, are here to celebrate immigrant rights. To not only celebrate, but to demand immigrant rights. Given the atmosphere that we're living in this administration, we have local unions supporting this event right in front of the Federal Detention Center located by Alameda and Aliso, right off the 101 freeway. So people are congregating right now with the news media, Channel 5, we see Channel 34, Univision, and more people are arriving as we're getting closer to the arrival of the march. The march has started on Olympic and Figueroa, and they're headed this way right now for a big protest. So let me show you around what it looks like right now.
One thing like this in the pink?
No, but I can wipe it off and I can make a picture.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, that's fine.
We have CHIRLA, Coalition for Humane Immigrant Rights. CHIRLA. They're very big in Los Angeles.
And it's by the way.
We have our famous street vendors here. The Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Gahfu was present today in the Los Angeles May Day 2025, celebrating May 1st as a major event with rallies, marches, and demonstrations focused on workers' rights and immigration rights. The May Day Coalition leads the main event, reported by all the media, including ABC7, Channel 34, Telemundo as well, with a rally that started at 9 in the morning on Olympic and Figueroa. It is heading towards the federal detention facility located on Alameda and Allison, right next to the 101 freeway. It was reported that a significant number of participants, including members of the unions, community groups, and advocacy organizations, were marching right along this route. The route took approximately 2 hours to get from the starting point on Figueroa and Olympic all the way to the federal detention facility. Some of the key details to observe was this took place on May 1st, 2025. It started at 9 a.m. And it was the starting point was Olympic and Figueroa in downtown Los Angeles. The theme for this year's May Day parade or May Day protest was "One Struggle, One Fight, Workers Unite." One more time. The theme was "One Struggle, One Fight, Workers Unite." The event included rallies, marches, and demonstrations. We were actually invited to perform at this event with our drummers. Not only did our drummers participate throughout the parade, drumming along the route, but also they had a very, very nice performance at the end of the march, and they were playing live. So we're gonna have a little footage, a little bit ahead of our drummers playing live during the May Day celebration, May Day marches. So we're really proud to say that the Garifuna was well represented, headed by the president of the Garifuna Heritage Foundation, Ms. Cheryl Morales, along with our drummers. It was reported thousands of union members marching along with community groups and advocacy organizations. The event aims to raise awareness and advocate for the rights of workers and immigrants, not only in Los Angeles, but nationwide. So let's continue to see what's going on.